Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petite Coding. Okay, so what we need now is a marksman image view, right? So view controller test, view controller. So as you can see, now I'm going to copy and paste this. Test controller has support image. Test controller has marksman. Has marksman UI image view. So instead of support, I'm going just to put here in the marks man emblem image view, command U. It shouldn't compile because it shouldn't have this first. So let me do this again. So it shouldn't compile because I didn't have that one. And then I'll put an IB outlet weak var with that, with a marksman emblem image view. And the test is still failing, and this is because controller has no emblem image view. So I gotta do this with the main storyboard, and I need to add another UI image view. So I'm adding an image view here. Okay, and I'm going to do control drag here. Control drag. I'm sorry, not there. Control drag to the marksman emblem image view, and I'm going to do command U. And now all the tests should be passing. So now I have a marksman image view on the main storyboard. So I'm going to commit this. Say added marksman image view to main storyboard. Okay, push to remote, commit to files and push. I will have to do this for every emblem, so this will take a series of videos, so just bear with me. I'm doing it step by step so you can realize how to do this afterwards, okay? Okay, so I made a mistake with the tests here, and I'm going to fix that right now, and I'm going to show you what I mean with this. First of all, this assert image emblem 1, I have to do this again like this, because the fighter emblem image has not to be no, but for emblem 01, right? But now for this one, I need to put exactly the same thing for emblem 02, but instead of the fighter emblem image view, I need the support emblem image view. That image, and also here, the support emblem image view. Command U. And this test is failing. And this is failing because I haven't put it here for the created image, right? So emblem 01 should be for the fighter. And emblem 02 should be for the other one. So I need two different, create image fighter. Let's just do this like this. Create image fighter. Command U. I'm sorry. This is not like this. This should be here like this. Create image fighter. Command U. And the test is not passing here, because here I don't need the create image for fighter, I need a create image for support. So create image support here with that file name, with this file name now. So I'm going to copy and paste this, create image support, command U, and instead of the fighter image, support emblem image view and support. Command U. Yeah, I don't need I'm going to comment this out for a bit. Yeah, and now the tests are passing, you see? So I did something wrong first. So let me just check in and commit this. So change the test to see that support image view has the correct image view and not only the fighter. Commit to files and push, and now we're seeing that both of them have the correct image. And let's see what else we can do. Okay, I don't really like this duplicate code, but let's just, for the sake of the video about the marksman emblem, let's just copy and paste this and create test controller marksman UI image view has the correct image emblem 03, and I'm going to change this to 03, and I should have create image marksman, right? And this should give me some failures because there's no way I can do this. So I'm going to copy and paste this, create image marksman here, and instead of support image view, I'm going to say the marksman, and I'm going to say the marksman. Command U, and this should fail. Yep, and this should fail because there's no images for emblems 03, right? So what I see on the assets, there's not an emblem 03. So I'm just going to go marksman icon, and I'm going to get this, save to downloads. Now on my download screen, date modified, yeah, I can change this to emblem 03, and as soon as I do this, here the test should pass. So command U, and the test is still failing. I don't know why it's failing. Oh, because it's not support emblem, the marksman emblem. So command U, the test is passing, and if you wanna see that this is actually really working, I can put this like an emblem 04 here, command U, and now it's failing because it's not the same name. So emblem 03 has to be marksman. So I put it emblem 03, command U, and the test is now passing. But I don't like this create image marksman, create image for this one, for this one, for this one. So we're next video we're going to refactor the code, and I'll show you how to use the model and these things to do it better, and not creating a function for each one, because I really don't like that. Okay, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see every time, and put that notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. We did some I left some stuff unedited here so you can see how I managed to do how I managed with errors, so you can be a better programmer also. So that's it for this video. Next video I will merge this into a better looking function, because I don't like these three different functions doing exactly the same things. I'm thinking I'm repeating myself, and you don't have to repeat yourself. So before we continue with that, I'll do that on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time.